Hello guys, so welcome back to my channel. So if you're like me and you like long nails and pretty nails and like sparkly nails, and if you like to change the design that it's on your nails, please keep on watching because I'm going to tell you some tips to make your nails stronger and also some tips for you to change your nails every now and then. So please keep on watching if you want to see that. So for today's video, I collaborated with a brand called Joyee Nails. I contacted them through Instagram and they were so kind and so wholesome. And at the end, I finally got 2 pairs of nail sets and I love them so much. I'm wearing one right now, but I don't want to spoil you, so you'll have to keep on watching. They sent me 2 pairs of nails for me to try and I'm going to review them later. So first of all, I'm going to tell you some tips about how to keep your nails like healthy and long or healthy and pretty so that you can get your nails done. So first of all, if you like to get your nails at the salon, you know that you have to remove them there because they have some special instruments to remove the products that they put on. If you have nail extensions, you have to take them out there because they're super hard to take out at your home, and if you try to take them out, you could damage your nail so much that you could have to wait at least a couple of months so that your nails become stronger again. So I recommend you going to the salon to take them out, and if you cannot wait, if you have some gel polish on, not extensions but gel polish, it's easier to remove because you can soak them in nail polish remover. Like you have to soak the cotton, then put the cotton pad on your nail. I recommend just cutting the cotton pad in 4 pieces so that you don't waste as much cotton pad. You have to soak the cotton pad parts on the acetone and then put them on your nail and wrap them in foil, and you have to wait at least like 10 to 20 minutes, I think. I just keep on watching, like I take them off, then I see if it's lifting, then you can try to remove it with like a stick, a bamboo stick. If it's not lifting at all, then you can soak them again. Like you can put the tiny foil wrap on again with the cotton pad in, and you should be fine. Couple of minutes more and you can take them out. However, this is also not the best but not the worst. Obviously you don't chip them out, like you cannot be pulling out like with your nails off because then you for sure will damage your nail. Also, what I tend to do is when I take them out at home, because sometimes I cannot wait, right? So if I take the gel polish out, I tend to get this oil for when I'm done. So it's whatever oil, like vitamin oil for nails or something like that. It's just because your nails get so brittle that it's so hard to get them healthier again, and the oils tend to help with process. And yeah, I noticed a big difference by using this. I used to have a lot of brittle nails back in the day. I used this oil for like each day. So first what I did was I leave it on for like a minute or so it absorbs a little bit, and then when you feel like it's already a little bit absorbed, you can massage the oil into your nail and then you're done. What you should do, even if you don't have your brittle nails right now, just to protect them, is using gloves while doing your dishes, while doing your cleaning. Like when you're cleaning, you're using products that are so harmful on the skin. Having your nails soaked for long periods of time causes also damaging to your nail, and also you want to be aware that if your nails are too hard, you could also break your nails so easily. So they have to be not as brittle but not as hard, so they have the perfect amount of bending so that your nails don't break. If you have your nails too strong, you should be buffing them out a little bit so they have more elasticity, but please be mindful that if you buff them too much, your nails are going to be brittle. So keep in mind that if your nails are brittle, you can also use some nail polish to help prevent you bumping into something and then breaking it and something like that. I always wore like some kind of nail polish on so that my nail wasn't bare and I wouldn't break them. Also, my last tip for this video is related to the collaboration on this video. So for today's video, I'm opening this magnificent package from Joyee Nails, and they sent me 2 pairs of nail sets, and they are press-on nails, and I have always had a bad experience with press-on nails because they were so easy to pop off, and when I tried other brands, I put them on and in 5 minutes they just popped off. So I tried these press-on nails and they're magnificent, and they're a great solution for you to not break your nails because you can remove them easily. And yeah, so I have been wearing them for this week and I love them. I have went to the gym, I did my daily tasks, and I wasn't careful at all, and they really did a good service. Here I am going to be trying them on so you can see how they have to be applied. They have a website. Their website is so easy to navigate and it's easy to understand. You just have to measure your nails and you can do it with just tape or something like that. So you put the tape on your nail and then with a pen you just mark the ends of your nail on the tape and then you take it out and you can measure easily your nail bed. So you have to measure your nail bed. There's different sizes of nails and for example mine are size S, so for reference if anyone wants to know, I don't know, and they fit perfectly. Like I cannot believe how perfect they fit, and they have a ton of designs and I would love to try them all, but here I am. I have 2 pairs and I love them. Like they're so cute and they have Sanrio. I couldn't wait to make this video, for real. Like I am obsessed with those nails. But yeah, I think it's a good investment to make. You can take them off easily, you don't damage your nail, and you can keep them for another occasion and you just put them on in 5 minutes. Like I cannot think of a better option to like do your nails, honestly. That was the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed and I hope you can also fall in love with this brand because it's genuinely amazing. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always please give it a like if you liked the video and follow me for more content like this, and see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.